We just shipped a Chrome extension that makes it easy to use your splits accounts on other products. So I'm going to give you a quick run through of how that works, and specifically how the transactions and the memos and everything just kind of get passed seamlessly between them. So I have Safari open over here. I just spun up this new account for this demo, and I'll copy that address. Let me open the Explorer, and we will just go and create a new split contract. So let's make this a 50% recipient. I'll grab another address in a second as a 50% recipient, and I'm going to make this connect demo the controller of the split. We'll turn off the distribution bounty, and we can keep the sponsorship on. Okay, so let me grab the operations account address, and we'll paste that in there. And let's jump back to the connect demo. Okay, so this account, brand new, no transactions, no assets. I'm going to connect with this account to the Splits Explorer, create the split, and then we'll send some funds through it, and we can look at that flow, and we can look at the transactions. Connect wallet, so this is what we're going to use. We're going to use the Splits wallet. So I'm part of the Splits demo team. You can see that over here, and I have multiple different accounts. We're going to use a connect demo. That's this account. But if you look at this, you can see the different, we have treasury operations as well, which is going to map to these accounts. So I will select the specific account I want to use, hit connect, and now we can go, everything still looks good, go and create the split. Create split for demo. We will hit execute, and we will see that transaction pop up pretty much immediately. And this transaction is submitting, and you can actually see that that memo, create split for demo, is what we just added here. So that went through. The Explorer is just taking a second. The subgraph is indexing the changes, and so we should see the split pop up. And so if we wanted to actually go through and edit this split, we already have this while connected from the connect demo account. So let's just edit it, and maybe we will make this, 60 and 39. And when we update it, same thing will happen, right? Update split. And so one of the cool things that I've noticed as I've been using this is just seeing the transactions show up in real time. They have the memos. Teammates can come in and see what other transactions are happening. And of course, I don't actually need to have that window open at all, right? I can do the exact same thing that I was doing, just kind of in the context. And so you no longer need to have multiple tabs open. And yet, as you have teammates who want visibility into what's going on, those transactions and memos will just get passed, back into the product. And so actually, if we were to, let's see, log in here, and you can see all the different transactions across all the accounts. And if I jump into the connect demo, we see that update split and that create split event right there. So yeah, that's how it all works.